me yimfo nyini de ekoso ho to pa ya to kakra ne ade a ba fa ye fam kakra ifri hi na esi hi bambo hu nsemu
okay bra onim obi eka Iran US war democrat the Israel yeden
ebusia adomako cyber security expert and of course data analyst so and odi FM kakra Israel US and tokwana ekoso ni Iran no okay
ba say na America no obi eka Iran US Israel war mekwa den tokwa America ni Iran US war adentia omoni aman ni enu omanya nkasa Israel de ye use omo as proxy and ntokwa ne yeden ekoso now again na ama friction we aba Iran US because o na Iran US omo nkutawudi a edan so pa na eba ne sign na ne oma yeden exercise bra papa oda your screen su your friend William Knox na William Knox here one of the founding fathers petrochemical engineer na oil industry ya ewo Persia or they or come more de eba ye no obi bebu say Persia ye den na Persia ye kan eno ane ene modern day Iran
okay
na ye hwe papa your friend Knox ya abra na nkutaudie sonko koso wo Iran ni European countries intermi papa ya o businessman buy say ono de say so interest wo oil munti or to Iran for oil 20,000 pounds.
Okay. Ebusia bra Facebook papa ne da ho no. Nti ye ma historical background kakra ne de abore ne ahwe the impact ewo Ghana nso said ye besi fako. Twaso.
Bra 20,000 pounds no. The buy and say also no the 20,000 pounds obetu oil na for 60 years.
Wow.
Oba exploit Persia mine for 60 years.
Ene Iran oba exploit for 60 years. Inti ye anope na o ka say o mine Ghana ye de ho gold a ye de an ye pese ye increase ye royalties ye de e wo ho but amine bi si omo nye de enti ase. It is pepe na ye de e course so e wo old day Persia ye na ye modern day Iran. Na bra ye mfa sikan ye o se obetwa ma Persia man entrance ani say obi won oil now say papa no free hin
okay oil British yes oil British
okay sa bre no na omo na edi
sa dwumadie nanim e wo ho now ye hwe image e da screen is here e kire allocation and share allocation agreement ne force no de na beba Persia man ho ana de na beba Britain company Knox ye den e da no ye hwe na 84%.
Okay.
Anna Knox Efa no ma Iran minor 16%.
Is it
for 60 years?
Esi yache.
Esi ya obetua otubia fa so be no befa 84%. No ama Persia minor 16%.
Na say ono nko abefa mu be ye nkono kra.
Ai. Na emu ho na on say o man bia ekoso a one day ubenya visionary leader obey na anyi say there be nyoma we ekoso ide emmoa me man no ti me sakra nyoma kakra ti eho no munya papa ya oda ye screen su obey o mo prime minister your friend Mohammed Mossadegh.
Okay.
Na Mohammed Mossadegh ba no ye say there be 1951 to 1953
okay
oba no say there be den na yanga sa o man ye oil obi free there be so no ba betu no na ma ye 16% one fa 84% on ti ase enye yemfa ye ni nko ye oil ne so na me ya oman no ejapade a yanga se be den ye betu ni aye den ya hweso
wow
na eno na kofa wantwi ni ye den ebae enti sha ase no o me o magye se wo betena akunya ne so na wo wakoye sa de ne dia enye ye be instigate nkrofo ni etuwa den efi ade so
yes ye be hye nkrofo achi abo nkutupa
na e mo about the two enti CIA was involved. Yeah, well, Echiomu be you see, Saddam Hussein. I'm also be doing the human be a day. So Saddam Hussein that be a now US in pen and imagine. US for you soon, it's Iran or mine.
Okay.
And the idea, US has always find interest in controlling the oil sector of Iran. Now, no, lead the baby or so, no, the on Tiasiano. And you went to day, Eba. And then to connect also, US say. is because Iran person oyede oya akode topa ye kodi ewu anti no person oyede or strike no na bra obehwa de bia Donald Trump e kasa anase Benjamin Netanyahu e kasa o say aka 2 weeks na Iran for aye sa topa yi ba bra ye bisa o say 2 weeks na embada
before so be call enum no I think say o share with the British no mu try so ombe control omu tu oyo no ombe nyamu share na yeche mu du ombe fam be omu senkono na say Iran no kane Persia no enyamu baako na from that time ede eba ni nyina no wono mo eye ya opani baako o de say Muhammad bae no Musadej no bae no ono ye na adwene say mempene eye meman nti yesi ye ni edi mu fa kese so na ono nko yes wo beye no Britain for no ani anye ho
anje ho na omo alliance US so anye anye ho
ena ese sa man mienu no nti ne se ehu se bia US ani Iran anya na UK se mapene momfa mo fighter jets embassy bia me ye
on trust e fi baby na eba enye ne ya na escalation ye den now adikwanti a ene US mo na edi adi nanim no is because bra sa tupa ye kodi ewu ya US say Iran for ba beye no ba beku enkrofo e wo Middle East now him say US for na nkasa na bo a Iran for so mo share program na say wo man nkasa na bo mo starting nuclear program no na ebedu ba bi no Iran for no say that ya hwe enkrofo e be de sa program e den ebe control ye enti e pese ye te ye ho efri ade no eno ane wantwi menteme ho ase aye den aba no na US feel say so onka program ne ho a akwanye so no sha ade ase no why den we yi na sin chen enti control ope yanko betimi infiltrate wo oil sector no onya tenye sa ade a program na me de ba say ye nye no jai na enkonta bebi e den eda but Iran so who say if you ko na nimi na no US use a lot of opportunities attack you omani nyeden en na ho na ba obi so bebi say sa nuclear program yi akode nko ane de enya akode nko ane de because ye hwe abakuse ma Dr. Kwame Nkrumah so ye so no so beye nuclear program ni bi wo Ghana ha e Ghana na obebi sa dan na ye so ye be kwa ako ana da bi ye nyamfa so de be free nuclear program ebi ni ye nyinam kanea it is a nuclear program near the ekrobia de power ni nyinam kanea ni gina so as compared to other sources of electricity no and Iran hwe se to pa ekodi ewo nkwa no person de nuclear power na ye den na mo US be ma wa gina di say the oil ni legitimate nti or reasons or the ba beto ho so person or the kwa attack Iran
na say with the nuclear no there are so many benefits I mean can say fasuo pi no wo so
yes fasuo pi wo so enye ntokwa nko anti na kobi beka so be nuclear
apart from having it as nuclear weapon
yes
the other advantages
are okay now and America say sa nuclear program ikra USA Iran ni hu tuni so ye no US na boy Iran man say in the year 1957
okay
enti hu na o say ade na yen den na cause so wokobwan but aye be nti na o so wokobwan so onye
okay the US grand sawum ba wo mahu say afi de ba bi e
convent me control control ni bi ti ene e ma mo nye den ento aso
okay wow ebusu join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na yegusu a ye hwe kwan antokwa yi fa so a e sha se free tete no ene ye de awura mu abisi reasons nti a US e de ahwehwe so
ba economic impact ben asa ntokwa ye kosi e wo amaman so
how I
the be na obi bebusa say aye den na Iran for ko omo ntokwa na me de meti Ghana na me say e benya nsusuanso e den so na ye hwe Asia na Middle East hono okay yeah well countries so mu depend solely on 20% of oil supply efa Iran ekwan so ye den ekoho ye na oma block sa akwan no Strait of Hormuz oma block sa akwan no because of ntokwa ye den ekosuniti na ye hwe country be benefit pa country ba ko ye China ye ba wiase he na the powerhouse of production China. It is in China say odi juma and as the production no and home beto chima because of entokwa air cost. It means ewiase mai nyina no obenya da impact no because na brown phone crowd yeah no China. Atade and shell fabric na far China na e den yeah na e de buy. It is that economic impact na e den e wo ho. Now you hwe energy sector.
Sure.
Energy sector no so there will be a mass destruction at the end. Because send nanka fuel ni flow and oil ni flow echo other countries or multimedia di omuduma ni nya ni say
ye be power your plants no ma bebre
enti Ghana ya ho be kire because say your plants no bebre and rely on fuel la and hwe ya e beti ama ye nyina mo den bo ai den akosoro
right apart from say ebe kosoro abra ye de begu ye ka mu ne de keka ka ho no
eno so be ko brown him say fuel ya de say kosoro bra bia ye bo man win bia ho sikasem ye den ekosoro because basically fuel the essential component of every economy. It is a prices ekosoro fuel mu a o ye den would affect you.
It's true enti straight of almost no na the tools no
okay
enti abusunya behwe map no a na say
now omoni Oman and a check straight of months no now obi bebu say adan na Oman ne nka se men penema Iran for nye den enye sa bra de tie nye yes Oman wo de wo share de Iran so wo ne share na mom ekwan na da ho musa enti ama vessels na e de oil e fa ho na omo transport goods e fa ho no eye den a omo be ko Iran e hie mu e ho so na see Oman so wo du ho a e san so omo declare ho se ma obi an fa ho nti omo betimi abombe
okay
enti ama vessels ni bebre aka insuo na ja omo ntimi nye den enko
just this week me say omo attack vessels ni bi be two cry omo blasting no nsuo no so fa ho nko ade a so omo weaponizing nsuo na se
yes
etu o ship nam so a wo hu se bibi wo
a blaster and no cry na bra so omo ti ase say okay na ye bie that Strait of Hormuz na enye one day adwuma say sa akode na omo de agu nsuo na ana se topan na omo de agu nsuo na se no omo betimi de 1 day 1 week ayeden it is even in Tianse cry eduma cry na the significant effect of economic impact no
okay
ebe impact
e be take
time and sa na yetimi ayeden ade ho afisa ade na e koso ni mo
wow ebusuanti yegusu a ye hwe enti esu na yatomu no
na me ntokwa enti na ekodwa man so a oil barrel eko atra $100
but now between 60 to 70 what there about
yes that entokwaninti atra adentia you say ewiase nyina 20% of your oil efa Iran share so na yeden eko and na bi kan trim so man bi ti say China the oil fa bebre na oji free Iran ho na yeden eba ti say na sa antokwa yi ko no so ntimi supply oil on farm na dia then e be impact the cost of oil with drama so enti say na ye tete say mpanifo ka say anhwa na ama oil prices akosra e fa baabi no e be no crazy betime nya impact e den e wo so and brand continue make e fa baabi ne ye dive that deep into your analysis yi ye be hwe kwan a o man Ghana so betime ai den afa abo ama sa age entimi nye den enkan ekese now you share impact na your global inflation and cost of living and abra na America say or maybe to say China produce onioma no so or be affected by the cost of fuel and oil la and den a enioma so a o produce abroad no so be den obetumu dia head abroad bibi ti say gas o go fill gas sa enioma ni na abo be den ebe ko
because of the fact that yato Strait of Hormuz ni mu no it just say omofa other routes and other routes no so ombefa no ebe transportation costs ni nyina nso omde begusu ama fleet costs ni nyina
say even China depending on Iran say Iran so ka say na san ntokwa nti no so me oil means me money nye den enkwa any shortage of oil supply from Iran to China ebe den ebeba and ebasa na ebe increase the prices den omudo hu no China no na bra ye hwe another significant impact santo kwa idiba aviation and shipping cost aviation and shipping cost now oil nya cost rope fuel la yedu planes mu and I say your vessels use edi operate no na no so bo be cost na ni bo cost na company ni nka so no absorb sa aka no or the ba wo na wo ye den use no so so it's another factor and what say yehwe ni ehu kwan a yebetimi so afa so ayeden aboa ye ho na ba food security so ya ade ayeden yehwe because yehwe na fertilizer Persian Gulf no baby e fertilizer ebebo na efri.
It is Iran imported more.
Yes.
That Middle
East. Okay. Fertilizer be be na ho na eden ye free. Ti say ene akoba say yintimi and transporting your money free e be affect the cost of fertilizer. It e be ma nnuane bo so eden.
Akosrofo nso ho be che. This is serious. Ebusia join your Facebook Nhyira 104.5 ye hwe eye impact a sa particular war ya ekoso yi e de beba na eye interesting ye nkoso e.
Bra yanhwe sisi oman Ghana se de na wo kan se oman Ghana ya de ho ana ye nde ye ho se bra ya de ho a emre bi sei na e be che se ya de ho ana ye den ye nde ye ho eti nyoma be na oman Ghana betimi aye immediate policy measures be na Ghana betimi aye den aye ahwe aboa ama timamufuo ho aye den ahenhan omo bra ene ya project say fuel by Monday ye beto no 11.57 that is for petrol. Into 11.57 me pese me chiemu say sa sika na ye twia no aban wo fa bia eye taxes or dia den eguso
okay
and amana bedu sa 11.57 na say yet say energy sector debt na ekosho nti finance minister introduce 1 cedi levy on every liter of fuel aye den and these are all parts of that taxes right. Now, how do we go as a country to protect citizens now? And yet, Brabian, a castle, into Quabenti, Boni, air kunti, and into that impact. Yes, you're getting out to answer a day. That may suggest you maybe one full tax adjustment.
Taxes
no gusono say that's na say me ayede ya ye hu bibi say even once the equal everybody na say penifo be dey ye free ho na e trade die no so ya hwe kwan e be fa so ayede adjust na e be matimamufo ho ayede ahenhan o mo kakra within time den tokwa yi ekoso no na ba adjustment aye hwehwe no any kwan say 1 cedi interval ade na make sa say koba ne sa medical culture say prices of goods from China ebekosho medical culture as a fertilizer bo be den ebekosho is all kotifu also 1 cedi na ene ekojina 10.57 yes one making impact there by emu ye den ya ebesa ba be kan goods free China urban ti ye go ye be che kwan a sa nyoma yi na ye betimi afa so ama that impact na den LUDC
right Nhyira 104.5 live on Facebook here share Israel Iran any US and tokwa na de ekoso no impact a ebenya ewo aman hodo so particularly ye die mu nso de na ye betumi aye and he's talking about taxes a eda ye fuel ne so a sabre ye say from next week kra no prediction ko ekere say ya hwe ya ye betumi akobe 18 cedis
bacha
komak for no eti say ya hwe ni ye a ye ko 18 cedis ana no ode driver for be try so be to asin tuadem enoma bo be brain so but taxes na wo kan den
ba ye hwe taxes eda for so ye wo energy sector shortfall and debt repayment levy and no the eda so 1 cedi 93 pesos
okay
ye hwe special petroleum tax and also the eda so 0.46 pesos
and you find 46 pesos
okay now road fund levy and also 48 pesos
right
now price stabilization and recovery levy and also 16 pesos and the other so but the last one is sanitation and pollution levy and also 10 pesos na the other so tiba
bola levy no
yes ye kika sa taxes yi na boma
everything be taxes ni negu ono nti ye kika bom ni ahwede na ban betumi ayi free so ebeboa ye na fam no bo no bra prediction ni kire say behuri etumi akosoro no yenso yetumi aye hu bibi na temamufuo ho because yenimi adraba fuo yi enya akosoro be na wotwe na emma fam kakra bi a obehu an no de asentuade ni bi aka ho ekosoro so emma fam ade ba ko e wo Ghana ha adwen no ade ekosoro a emma fam biem fa yewura mu yi
ba say na wotofuo 11.57 said the project is 16th ebekona but it tells you say utria taxes in 3 cedis 11 pesos
wow
and also free 11.57 7 that means enka fuel enka taxes and that's why eke betimi aton 8.46 pesos per liter.
Kenya taxes no
8.46 pesos per liter.
Kasi ye to.
Yes.
Wow.
8.46 pesos per liter. Now that so 8.46 pesos no. Now what's our buying the way pound no timi aden enya kon sika bi dia aden. E dey free. Now yeah cause our crisis yi mu. Ye wo kwan bi aban so betimi aden. Adane ne nsa aden abo timamufo.
And then you betumi aye wo ho eno na ye behwe.
Pachan.
Okay. Enti eto a yetua wo so no ensenka fu ne de enka 8 cedis. And then give beto ne 8 cedis something pesos, right? Na taxes ni nti na me ye nam 11 point something. Enti aban no betumi aye bibi anka ahokyere bremu a eze ntokwa ni nsi ye no mo se na awotwe be 9. And so still na ase ntokwa no se de mu ye no bibiri susu se anhwa ani atrem kura be bosome ne chiri bibiri nti if that is the case here na say interim measures ya ye be ye imprempren hyehye ya ye betumi de ato akwam de aboa ye ho ne se eto ahodo aban de guso no ye betumi ahwan bi so
mama tinamufo ho aiden atom bra me wo chart da screen so chart share your daily consumption of fuel our mind Ghana mu enti ye fa petrol and gasoline they be an liters of consumption 9,200,000 liters of petrol Ghana ha
enti petrol car bi e koto ye wukutina no abu kakra we ko bu kakra no e dey bia no de consume 9
million per chine.
Wow.
Now 9 million. Yes, 9.2 million bra ye wo tema oil refinery den ewo ho yes also sent you oil refinery na nsia na eden eba now sent you oil refinery aye ka ho asemi oil refinery and also the na production kakra onya ekatama oil refinery ho eti ka ni na aboma Ghana ha no out of 9.2 million
abusia bra na ehwe board no so enwa ya tro ni nyina ho ti liters consume ni oye statistics na mai
out of 9.2 million no oman Ghana yetimi produce 2.8 million.
Wow.
Eti a deficit of 6.4 million.
Ooh. Esun.
Now you could diesel and also so 9.8 million. Yeah, yetimi produce Ghana high 3.2 million, which you are a deficit of 6.6 million.
Enya me won diesel de e no be do so a chen petrol no mu.
Now LPG, gas, and also so 800,000.
Right.
Ghana yetimi produce 350,000. You are a deficit of 450,000.
Wow.
Now, bright yenka. You say total consumption per day 19.8 million liters a day.
To say gas, petrol, and diesel no. Ni nyina liters no we consume 19.8 million daily liters. Wow. Now,
but me declare calculation ma taxes area to yeah fuel so
right
now 3.11
okay
pesos now you multiply it by 19.8 million you share sika de beden
right
it dey bia no you benya 61.5 million Ghana cedis revenue based on taxes area to fuel so daily you benya asoman.
Wow.
Now, you calculate it in a space of 30 days, which is 1 month.
We need taxes no kwa.
Wow. Now, you have 1.8 billion Ghana cedis.
There's a abanya skafrim pa.
1.8 billion Ghana cedis. Now, you share kwaya you bet in your first iden. Abuabra, me person 1.8 billion Ghana cedis. You convert it to dollars because you did draw amount my swat. You the dollar in the head. It is now, and a fat dollar to CDR a rate of 0.092. And you multiply 0.092. Ebema in dollar rates, your revenue on your petrol sector na you crown or mine Ghana, which is 169 million.
Okay.
Almost 170 million dollars as revenue to me gather from your levies to your fuel eso ana your fango bo eso.
Okay.
Tiba yan fa sa figure into we ko enimi.
That's around 160.
Yes, roughly there 170 million. Ba 170 million na ye ka ho asemi. Se Ghana ye say amaya oben ye ya ye ni nua ni omu. Ye ko ni o makwa akodi nkuta ho. Se yes ya te se modeshia ba ko ebie refinery. Na refinery no excess a obetimi ya den. Abo aso ye. Eti yesre ye hwa ye ba mo ho based on ntokwa air cost. Na matimi ya den abo aso yase a. Right, you be saving $400 million.
Yeah.
Every month.
Wow.
On importing from Dangote refinery.
See, Ijaya.
Yeah, cause you call Dangote ho. Now you call fuel more and a fan go free Dangote refinery. Now say you be call Europe and any other country say you call
because Nigeria.
You call Nigeria. Now you be saving on mine $400 million.
Wow. Monthly.
Hi. I didn't know our savings here, so our savings here because of distance between Ghana and Nigeria. You have freight cost. You just annual may crab bar. Reduce. Now, I'm far straight of home. So now come and your master bija because yes, you go far. Now vessel be now I'm straight of home. So be see the insurance no increasing because there's a possibility so of our pay rate in our bomb vessel.
Yeah,
it's in our vessel line of our insurance rate here then. And so I'm now affected the cost of freight.
Wow. Yemfa part 1 no insia. Wrap up with part 1 we na menim say will continue. Ewo the akekan yema ebitumi sande ahyem a lot ebusia ye wo no ma bebre wo mu a esi yetimi hwe na mpanimfo su tie na yetimi boae as he was talking about yetimi in taxes we make around 1.something billion Ghana cedis. And if see yeka say sa de no ye hwe ne ye hu bibia ebeboae na ya change the route of our importation normal right
na yenti 170 million in free 400
million. Wow.
Yeah, share on my Ghana. You be save.
170. You be save 230.
30.
Wow.
It is hard 230. If I say 170
that's million dollars.
Yeah, they say 170. I might money be entry because you were hard times. Now you ma for born and bra from. Now enquire affected goods all the Chinese goods no go because show there. Now a buy say you fan go ball from my own no. You fan cushion ye ho. Bra, you bet me save 170 for a buying taxes and then that's also original. And all for a month. Also, yes, our excess of $230 million at the and also so you bet me in part 2. You bet you can so ama you bet me ama Ghana ye reserve in your oil. Yes, me the aqua because I you say your full reserve can only last us for 6 weeks maximum. Now 6 weeks maximum and they said yeah call Dangote in a space of time no also cast on supply bia that actually asem no dey be it e be hwe kwan so in our part 2 you bet me expand our conversation no we won kwan e be fa so aye den etimi extend your reserves no through bust.
Right. Thank you very much. Nhyira Adomako, or a cyber security expert and also data analyst. And anopay oni FM no Saturdays ya will chat in Kapa or back no the FM kakra. And we as a policy makers in it. We shall analysis away we can use just some about 100 and something million dollars to cushion Ghanaians. I am feeling the impact of the war be still you say we nyaka free. And this is a very intelligent submission. Adomako, thank you very much. Inshallah be Inshallah 104.5 we kukrentu medumedie and uti no enche